So hey guys, in this video we will discuss our question, that is 3 sum closures. So what we need to do is, in this question we have given the array that is named nums, and it is given the target value is 1. What we need to find out, that find the 3 numbers in the array which is the sum, which has a sum equal to target, or doesn't come to a equal to target, then we need to find the closest value to it. Suppose, sorry, here given as -1, 2, 1, -4. This is the values of the array, and you can see it -1 plus 2 plus 1. This is the closest value. This is coming here, that is 2. We are unable to find the exact value, that is 1. That's why we are finding here the closest value. So let's see its approach. So let's take let's just start. Suppose the array is -2, 3, or 4 and 1 and 5. Okay, this is our array. So what we need to do is, first simple approach is brute force, in which what we will do is use for loop. Okay, use for loop in 3 times. 3 times means, first of all I will iterate the array from I to till n. Okay, then j value will go from I plus 1. I plus 1 iterate till n. Okay, so it will iterate n, and again the k loop will go from I plus 2 and iterate till n. You can also call it j plus 1. You can write it anyway as your wish. So what we will do here, that we will fix the first value, that is -2, 3, and then we will iterate the values of the k one by one, that is 4, 1, 5. That is 4, 1, 5. So in the next week, what the value of the I is 3, then you will iterate again the for loop. So simply this is the for loop, or the approach is brute force. But the main drawback of it is that the time complexity of it is big O of n cube, which is not a good time complexity. That's why we will not use this approach. So our next approach is, suppose our array is -2, 3, -1, 5, and another value is, let us take 7. So what I need to do is, suppose we are fixing first value, okay, -2, and first of all I am telling you this approach is big O of n square. Okay, I am following here big O of n square. For that, first of all I am fixing the first array. First of all, for that need, you have to sort the array. -2, -1, after that 3, after that 5, after that 7. Okay, so first of all you will fix the first value. After that, please fix the starting and ending pointer. So here is start, after that here it is end pointer. Okay, so here my starting pointer is -1, this next to the fixed first number. Okay, then the end pointer is the last number. So here what I am doing is, first number is fixing. Now what I need to find is, just find the sum of it, that is -2, -1 plus 7. And suppose our target value is to find out, suppose I am just taking and assuming a hypothetical number. So our target value is 2. We need to find this. So what we need to do is -2 -1, that is -3 plus 7. So the target value comes out to be 4. Okay, so in this manner what we need to do is, if our target value is coming out to be larger than the target value, then what I need to do is decrease end pointer here. Okay, decrease the end pointer. So what we'll do, -2, then -1 plus 5. So what the result will come, -3 plus 5, that is 2. What I get, the actual target value here. Suppose if I'm not getting the actual target value, we get approximate approach, closest value, then okay, need to be find out. So what I have done the approach here, for fix the first element. After that, this next to first element, just put the start pointer, and after that the end pointer. If our sum is coming out to be greater than the target value, what I need to do is increment endpointer. If suppose my sum is coming out to be less than the target value, so what I need to do simply is increment the starting pointer. Okay, it's just a simple approach. For this, how can I ensure that if the next sum, that if I increment the start pointer, how can I ensure that sum will go increase the value? So for that, that's why I have sorted the array. It gives you surety that the next sum will come greater than it or less than it. Okay, according to the base condition that we have incremented the start pointer or decremented end pointer. So let's just implement it. Okay, so first of all, I have told you that sort the array. Okay, array dot sort and num. After that, what I need to do is fix the first element. For that, int I equal to 0 till I less than nums dot length, then I plus plus. What I am doing is here fixing the first element. Okay, with first element. Okay, so next time what I need to do is simply write int first equal to nums of I, and you can also refer it that we have already fixed the first element now, and first element will change according to the value of the I. Okay, so remember it. After that, I can ensure that int start equal to I plus 1, this next value to the first, or int and equals to nums dot length minus 1, that is define the last element. Okay, after that what I need to do is while start pointer is less than end pointer. So the question arises behind this is why I have written only start less than n and not start less than equal to n. For that you can refer that whenever I need to write the array, so must mention that repeating elements must not contain, the one element should not repeat its twice in the array. That's why I have written less than n, not less than equal to n. Now what I need to do is simply if math dot abstract and first of all I need to decide the sum. What I need to find is first plus start, that is nums of start plus nums of end. Okay, so what I have done here in this case, first of all also ensure the value of the int sum equal to 0. I just initialize the value of the sum equal to 0. Now what I need to do in this case, I have written the first here in nums of start. So you can put a question in this, why have written nums to the start and not the nums in the first? Because whenever I was writing the first key, I have already mentioned that it's the number. Nums of I means the number, and start means indexing. I have written here. That's why I have written nums, because I need to explain the numbers is not the indices here. Okay, that's why I have written. Now maths.abstract, that is target minus sum is less than math.abstract to difference. Okay, so what I am doing here is maths.app difference. So what I am doing here is simply maths.abstract. What it defines is in Java, sub method is for modulus, means whether you do target minus sum or sum minus target, it gives same value. That's why I am using maths.abstract. For Java we use math class. Okay, so now what I have written, the difference means always whenever whenever we calculate the difference, means this difference is coming or this difference is coming, we need to find the minimum distance of it. Okay, so first of all initialize int difference equal to integer dot max value. Okay, so here the minimum distance will come, so we need to find the print it. So now here I will relocate the value of the difference, that is target minus sum. Okay, now I have already told you that if our sum is greater than target, so what I need to do, simply decrement end pointer, that is end minus minus, and check else. Else what I will do is start plus plus. Okay. Now simply whenever you comes here, return. What I need to return here is return the target minus difference. Here we will calculate it. Let's check it. Arrays. Okay, यहाँ पे arrays आता है. Arrays dot sort. Okay, accepted. Let this submit it. So it just simply submitted. First, again I am telling you what I have done is here. देखो, what I have given here. We need to find the value of. We have given the nums array and we need to find the sum of the three numbers that is close to the target. If it's coming approximately equal to a target, so it's fine. Okay, so it's good. Okay. So first of all, I have used the algorithm in which the time complexity is big O n square. So what I have done is first of all sorted the array, because we need to find that another number will come now. Means if we are finding sum, after that we need to ensure that if we are decrementing or incrementing the starting and end pointer, we get actual the next value of it, or the next value that is closest to a answer. So what I need to do is first of all I am initializing the sum equal to 0. Why I have written integer that next value. Suppose if I already mentioned the minimum value here, so what it will do, what the code will do, it is mentioning the original value of the integer. That's why I have written the integer maximum value, so that it can display or reinitialize the value of the difference. That's why I have first of all I am fixating the first element. Okay, that's why I have written first equals nums of I, then start is the next pointer of first, and the end pointer is nums dot left minus 1, that is the end element. After that, while start less than n, I have written mention start less than equal to n, because the condition is we need to duplicate, we don't need to repeat same element in the array. So that's why I have written start less than n. After that we need to find the sum, that's why I have written the sum. If match dot abstract means what I need to do is finding absolute value, that no need to write that our value is coming on minus or plus. They always used to be compare it with the difference. So I have written abstract, that's why. Okay, all our difference is target minus sum. Now what I need to do is, if sum is greater than target, I have already told you that what is, if sum is greater than target means we need to decrement end pointer, that's why I have written n minus minus. What we will do, start plus plus, that's incrementing the starting pointer. Then after that what I have written target minus difference. So you can refer this, that is target minus difference for sum. So what I need to do is returning the sum. Okay, I hope आप लोग को समझ आएगा. Thank you.